Today we're about to do the driver front door glass because I don't have one there. So I'm gonna show you how to replace it. If you have one, same process. Alright, so let's get it. This is the 08 G37 Coupe. As you see, this is the Coupe manual. The driver door glass does not exist. It broke, it was shattered, so now I have to add a glass. So I went to buy one. Now I have to install it. So if you have the glass already, it's gonna be the same process. You're gonna take off the door panel in case you want to do the trim or replace the switch. Okay, so same way. All right, first things first, let's remove this right here with a plier. 10 mil behind there, and remove this trim for these two bolts. It's back here. Alrighty. As you see, 1, 2. Let's remove those bolts. Okay, got those off. Okay, so to remove the switch, you do not remove it like this person did. You see? Just tear it off. So it's broke. I don't have a switch. So the switch will stay here because it's behind the door panel. Alright, so if you like mine, just leave it. Now, let's pull on this over here. There's gonna be some glass back there, so let's pull on over here. Shit, must break my finger. Sheesh. Let's put this over here. Okay. Okay, don't lose these bolts. The door. Now let's remove this whole thing. Okay. Be careful. There's a thing over here. I'll show you. Careful with this. You gotta remove this. It's like most G's. The ball over here. L shape over here. Like I said, if you have the door switch on, you would disconnect it from here. Both of them. Don't forget your tweeter. Disconnect that. Alright. And last but not least, door lights. Now let's remove these off the door. I have glass behind there, that's why I'm taking it off, so I could vacuum the glass out of there, so I could put the new glass on. Ah, shit. Okay, now this one over here. Take this off. And this connector for the door. I mean, for the motor. Damn, why did I put this thing backwards? Stupid. Why you do that dumb shit? I didn't take that off. Right now, let's remove these bolts around here. 10 mil all around. And yeah, these are the slots for the regulator, window regulator. One there, one over here. Okay, we're gonna remove those too. 10 mil And this is for the window, to hold the window. So this will be like a 12 inside here. Let's take this. Okay. Yep, should be there. I guess it's lower. There should be one here too. Okay. These are 12s too, but we're not taking those off. Let's remove the 10s. It's all them removed right there. Boom. Now, don't forget these right here. 1, 2. Let's take those off. Now let's peel this or lift this up. So, yeah. Be careful. Be careful. We're gonna tilt it like this, down like this, so these will come out the hole, and so it could drop down. Okay. So let's do that. Tilt it. You'll come out the hole. Tilt it down and just take it out like so. Shit. There you go. Okay. That's the side. See, I need to vacuum it. You see? All this glass shattered. So I'm gonna clean all this up, put everything back so I could continue this. Now we're putting the window back. Well, this regulator, same way, but the opposite way. We got to tilt it inwards and lift it up so it could go in these holes right here. Make sure these are up. Put the window up. Now let's line these holes and put the 10mm bolts. Okay, soon as snap in there. Now let's put the 10mm bolts all around. Okay, now let's put the window on. Okay, let me grab the window. You gotta put it. Oh yeah, don't forget to put the 10 mils inside here. Both of these. Make sure you have this thing on there because we need to drill the screw through there. And this side doesn't have anything because it's already inside here. Okay, so I'm gonna put this on. Okay, now let's put the screw in there. 12. Okay, let's tighten the bolts on both sides. And 12, make sure it's lifted up so you could tighten it good. Once you do that, the window should be good. As you see, it is on. I'm waiting for the motor for this, so I'm not gonna put everything back together. So same way we took it off is the same way you put it back. All right.